Hey, welcome. It's Kat Ray here. So today the video we are doing is we are restoring some marble that's in my parents' house. My parents have lived here for 18 years. This is Cream of Marfil marble. It has been superficially cleaned, but has never been deep cleaned or restored. So that's our project for the day. Okay, so we did some research on the internet and we found this to be the best product. It is Marble Life Marble and Routine Cleaner. It is an alkaline cleaner, not a acid cleaner. Thing about this is it gets the grease out. Grease seems to be what penetrates and really sticks into the marble and is the hardest to get out. So this is the product that we have bought to be the restorer. This product we purchased and is penetrating, sealer, and restorer. That's the most important. It's the sealer and the restorer. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this is there's this small area. I'm going to spray it with the cleaner, then use our buffer. So we'll do this area, then this area, and we'll do that. So we got 3 sections to do. So I buffed and cleaned this area. Now I'm going to mop up all the cleaner. Make sure it's dry. Okay, we are on section 2. Now we're going to spray it with the cleaner and scrub it. So this Okay, so we are on the last part of the bathroom. You can look here. Just gonna spray this with the cleaner, then I'll use the buffer to scrub it. Okay, so we are all done cleaning the marble. Now we just have to wait for it to dry, then we'll do the refinishing. Okay, we are all done doing the cleaning. Now we are taking the marble restorer and our applicator. We're just going to put a layer of this on and we will be all done. Okay, so the way I do this is I'll just dump some of this on, then I'll rub it on. Okay, we're on section 3. Now we just got to do this one last area and we'll be all done. Okay, so I am introducing my father because he is the homeowner and he's going to tell us about the instruments and the tools that he used to do some extra finishes on the floor.
It's a privilege and honor to be here in one of Kat's videos. Of course, my favorite daughter. Anyway, what we did is we used this thing, which is a paint applier, when we first did the floors, and it looked good initially, but it streaked like mad. Totally unacceptable. Don't use it. But what we did for the floors is bought this thing. Here you are. It's called a DuraTool. This is a professional level finish applier. They use it on big wooden floors for the churches and basketball courts and stuff like that. It is a, come off. There we go. A aluminum bar that has a slide-on foam applier. Put a little extra stuff down, more than you think you need. Use this in big long strokes and it came out beautiful, just like the big boys do, like the pros. So this is what you want to get. It's called a DuraTool. It's about 35 bucks for the basic tool, and these applicators are about 18 bucks. They ain't cheap. But boy, it's worth every cent. This thing made a beautiful floor. I'll turn it over to Kat and she can show you the cabinets and the floors in detail now and show you how well it turned out.
we are all done with our project. We cleaned the marble, we restored the marble, and now we get to go have some fun. Because remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.